Want to unlock the secrets behind your online sales and supercharge your marketing effectiveness? Let's dive into setting up sales event tracking with Google Tag Manager. First, we'll create a neat trigger that fires on our purchase confirmation page. Click on Triggers in the left-hand menu. Then hit New. Give your trigger a descriptive name, like Purchase Success Trigger. Choose Page View as the trigger type, then configure it to fire only on your thank you page. Select some page views and set the condition to page URL contains and enter the specific URL of your purchase confirmation page. Next, we'll create a tag to send the sales data to Google Analytics or your preferred analytics platform. Go to Tags in the left menu and click New. Name your tag something clear like a purchase tracking. Choose Google Analytics Universal Analytics as the tag type and set the track type to event. Now let's define our event parameters for category. Enter e-commerce for action. Enter purchase. You can add more specific details in the label. Most importantly, set the value to the transaction total. This requires you to use a data layer variable that captures the purchase amount. If you already have a data layer variable push set on the thank you page, you can select it by clicking on the square bracket icon beside the value field. Be sure to use transaction total, not including tax or shipping. Under triggering, select the purchase success trigger you created earlier. This ensures the tag only fires when a purchase is successfully completed. If you do not see the transaction total variable, create new user-defined variable by selecting the variable button on the left-hand side. The variable type will be data layer variable and then enter the name of the variable. Finally, preview your changes to make sure everything is working correctly. Once you're satisfied, submit your changes to publish them live. You are now tracking sales events and unlocking valuable insights to boost your business.